Today we're bringing the garage inside. I have a Mark IV Jetta Golf front seat. The heater element burned through. As to my knowledge, this isn't aftermarket, but it's quite possible because a lot of the push tabs are missing. And there and on the front here. So maybe it's been replaced once, not sure. I had this green cloth covering it for a little bit, but yeah, this is all burned up. So we're gonna take this apart and see what's underneath of it. So I put the seat on its side here. First thing that I'm gonna take off here is the release cable latch for the slider. That's held on with the T25. Next is the arm bar here. This goes right here. Click, click, click. Also 2 T25 screws. And get more into it. Next step is to release this tab right here, which is connected to this guy. Just get in there with a little screwdriver and pry it. Then once you move that, there's a Phillips there. Now these here just pop out. Little tab there, that one there attaches in there, and then just push it out. It all comes out, and that's as far as you need to go with that one. Next step is to, once you get that Phillips out, go underneath here. Mine's broken here, but there should be a tab. Move this tab out of this one, pry it out. Now this piece here is a little black push tab that goes inside there. Just pull that out, put that off to the side, and that comes out. Basically, you can start pulling off the seat cushion. Okay, so basically there's a little lip here. This is where this black shield is. Just pop it up over all these tabs. Just pull, pull, pull all the way around of it. Like I said, you can leave these guys here on. Just pull it all the way out. Then just flip the seat all the way back. So crank it till it's basically straight. And then just start pulling it up from the back side. Just like this. Just like that. So now we're all up here, all up here. Now to work on the heated seat. So basically once you get all this peeled up, pull the seat cushion off. Now I cut these here. I got 4 here. This is my old one. Here's 4. And they run through the cushion. The one I got from the scrapyard also has 4. So I'm just going to splice those into that. And the heated seats will work. Now I did notice that this one here, which why I think it's aftermarket, is this has one green wire there and one clear wire there. So this one doesn't have it on here, but this one does. Here's the one, here's the other one. So I'm not sure why this one has it and this one doesn't, but I'll start taking this cushion off here. So I'll try to get this as best as I can. Basically, there's a hook that's going vertical, and then horizontally on the seat cushion, there's a bar, and they clip into each other, right? So basically, one looks like this, and one goes through. So there's a couple. There's 3 on this side, 3 on this side, and then you got to get these here as well, right? So basically, line all those up. There's no hog ties or anything. Okay, got all the push tabs off here. So basically, these here, the side ones, clip into these guys here. 1, 2, 3, and then there's ones at the end, 1 and 2, which these guys get to. So when you're doing it, basically just take off the one side, all of them, and then just push them in like that, and then just pull them out, and then they'll all just release. Here's where it was burned here. This is why I'm replacing it. So There's no Volkswagen stamping on this one here. This is one with those 2 random wires that I've never seen. And this one has side heating as well, where this one here doesn't, and this one is OEM. So we'll get this guy back on here, and then we'll splice it in. So I'm gonna show you guys how I did this one here. So if you look, there's one there. So you pull this all the way to the side, okay? Like that. That one goes on there. Same with this one, right on there. Same with that one. You go over to the other side. You find them through here, and then you just put them on that side. Okay, so basically once they're all in, the 3 going horizontal and then the 2 going vertical here, basically just fold this all over. So this here, keep your wires exposed there. Go that to the back. Now on the sides here, there's Velcro. So this here, just kind of make that look, don't make it look stretched, but make it look, you know, half decent. Same with the other side. Go to the front. Cars get covered up and drivers head for cover. Don't worry about any of these here because this all has to go in the bottom of the seat. A little bit, and there's a little bit stretches right there, but I'll get that figured out. So that's that. Okay, now let's go splice it in. So we got the wires all spliced in here, solder and heat shrink over top of them. Now basically put this onto here, feed that wiring through the bottom, and start reassembling the seat. So this is now on. All the tabs, they all go and flip underneath. It's kind of hard to hold the camera and do it at the same time. But basically, there's a black lip. Touch it to the side here of the rail, and then just flip it up, and then it all goes underneath. There's a little bit of a stain there. I'm gonna have to get that out, but other than that, looks like it's pretty good shape. So start piecing her back together, reverse installation, and we'll see if it heats up. All right, so we're back at the car here. Just got the seat put in, looks a lot better. Got my heat gun. Right now, about 14, 15. Passenger side, it's at about 6. So heated seat works. I can feel it. It's already getting warm. So is the back. This one doesn't have the heat on the sides like the other one did, which is fine by me because that's what ruined on mine, right? I figured it would be this side here to go, but I don't know why this one here went. Maybe, you know, bad installation, whoever did it aftermarket. There's a little bit of a divot there that I had to chew out from the burning, but yeah, that's that. Seats in. I could have went out and got a set of leathers or something like that, but I don't like the feel of the leathers in the winter because this is just the winter vehicle. But other than that, looks like it wasn't even replaced. Thanks for checking it out, guys. Like, comment, subscribe, and we'll see more videos in the future.